Hey, it's JJ and today we're going to be talking about goatee beards. Look, goatees get a bad reputation. Too many folk butcher the shape, or they leave it wispy, or they end up looking like they've lost a bet. But when it's done right, a goatee can sharpen your look if it suits your face, and it can set you apart from the average beardsman. Let's dive in and I'll show you how to grow a proper goatee with confidence and not make it look cringy. Alright, obviously I don't have a goatee beard, right? But I know a lot of people who do. There's a lot of people come to the beard and moustache championships that we run, and they know how to make the goatees look good. So here we go, let's dive in. A goatee is simple. It's facial hair on your chin that is sometimes paired with a moustache. That's it. But don't mistake this simplicity for boring. From rock stars to philosophers, the goatee's been a symbol of individuality for centuries. Look, it's versatile. There's a lot of people out there who can't get thick growth on the side, so a goatee is the ideal beard for them. I also used to know a man who grew a goatee to cover his birthmark that was on his chin. There's also more than one way to rock a goatee beard. Let's break down the most popular styles. Alright, we've got the classic goatee. It's just hair on the chin alone, and if it's styled, it looks great. No moustache, minimal and clean. Then we've got the full goatee, that's connecting the beard into the moustache for one single unit. Then we've got the Van Dyke. It's usually a pointed chin beard with a separate moustache that's styled. Think of a pirate. These look class if you can pull it off, like my friend Davey Easton here. Then we've got the anchor beard. You guessed it, shaped like an anchor. Comes down the middle, around to the side, connects to the moustache sometimes. There you go, anchor beard. Then you've got a circle beard. This one, it can look good and it can look odd. It's just basically a circle around here, connecting the moustache and the chin. It's not usually long, it's usually just quite short, stumpy, like a circle. Look, not all goatees suit all faces, so we'll get into that next. Here's how to grow a goatee without looking daft. The recommendation I always give is don't shave into a goatee beard to start off with. Start by growing a full beard first, so then you can carve into it. That's why people end up with patchy, weak looking goatees, because they start too early and they get tighter and tighter and smaller. If you've got a full beard, then you can start to take away bit by bit. So grow a full beard for 3 to 4 weeks. Let the chin and moustache areas fill in naturally. Once you've got solid coverage, then you can start to shape it and carve into it. Keep the lines clean, but don't overdo it. Natural lines look better than very harsh, sharp lines. And don't forget, beard oil keeps it soft and healthy, and beard butter helps style it and tame the wispy hairs. And a beard trimmer with variable guard sizes is ideal for tapering and trimming it in. Alright, goatees for different face shapes. This is where most guys mess up. They choose a style that clashes with their bone structure or face shape. If you've got a round face, go for a longer type goatee, or a longer pointed one like the Van Dyke. Or if you've got a long face, go for a shorter beard, or maybe even the circle goatee, and try pushing the hair out wider. And try go for a wider version. And if you've got that square jawline, use curved natural lines. Classic goatee with softer edges works best for this. Obviously, this is a rough guide for inspiration. Just grow whatever makes you feel confident. It's your face at the end of the day. So goatee beards usually need more maintenance, so here's a rough guide for you. Trim regularly, maybe every 3 to 5 days depending on growth, just to keep it sharp and neat. Use beard oil daily to avoid the dry itchiness, the itchy skin there. You can use beard oil on your skin as well, so after you've trimmed it or shaved it in, rub some beard oil into the skin as well. This will keep the itchiness, irritation away, or any inflammation that comes with shaving as well. It will calm that right down. If your goatee's long, use a comb to detangle it. If you've got a shorter one, use a brush. This will evenly distribute the product throughout your goatee and keeping it looking as full as possible. Consistency is the key for growing a good looking goatee beard. Like any facial hair, you go through stages where you think it looks daft, but stick with it. Keep to the routine, and I just know it will look amazing. If it's done right, a goatee is a good statement, and not too many people have them. So if you struggle with growing a beard on the side, if it's patchy and it feels a bit thin, consider growing a goatee beard. Get that thing full at the front and rock it in your own style. I hope this video has helped. I hope you've enjoyed it. If you have, please give it a thumbs up below. Leave a comment if you'd like to, and I'll get back to you when I can. And subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. I really do appreciate your support. With that said, stay safe, look after yourself, and I'll see you in the next one.